Have you ever wondered what makes Swiss cuisine, particularly fondue, so irresistible? It's more than just the cheese, it's a tantalizing blend of culture, tradition, and a pinch of mountain magic. Swiss food, with its hearty dishes and comforting flavors, has a unique charm that draws in food enthusiasts from every corner of the globe. Let's not forget the fondue, a communal dish that truly embodies the spirit of Swiss hospitality. Join us on this culinary journey as we delve into the rich history and tantalizing flavors of Swiss cuisine. Swiss cuisine is an amalgamation of influences from its neighboring nations. The birth of Swiss cuisine traces back to the early days of Switzerland, a country nestled in the heart of Europe, surrounded by cultural powerhouses such as Germany, France, and Italy. The Swiss culinary landscape began to take shape as a patchwork of regional dishes, each showcasing the local produce and traditions. The hearty stews of the German-speaking cantons in the north, the creamy risottos from the Italian-speaking cantons in the south, or the delicate pastries from the French-speaking cantons in the west. Each one of these flavors weaves into the vibrant tapestry of Swiss cuisine. But Swiss cuisine is not just a mere replica of its neighbors. It has evolved and developed its own identity through the centuries, thanks to the country's rich cultural diversity and the ingenuity of its people. The Swiss took the best of what surrounded them and put their own spin on it, creating a unique fusion of flavors and techniques. From the creamy cheeses of Gruyere and Emmental to the rich chocolates of Lindt and Toblerone, Swiss cuisine is renowned for its high-quality ingredients. The Swiss have an unerring commitment to quality and a firm belief in simplicity, allowing the ingredients to shine, resulting in dishes that are both comforting and sophisticated. And among these tantalizing Swiss dishes, fondue stands out as a timeless classic. Originating from the Alps, fondue has become a culinary symbol for Switzerland. This heartwarming dish, steeped in tradition, is more than just melted cheese. It's a testament to Swiss ingenuity and the art of sharing a meal. The story of fondue starts in the harsh alpine winters, where resourceful Swiss farmers found a way to use hardened aged cheese and stale bread, turning them into a warm, delicious meal. A perfect blend of cheese, usually Gruyere and Emmental, is melted in a communal pot known as a cacalan, with a dash of white wine and garlic for added flavor. The result is a creamy, dreamy concoction into which you dip chunks of crusty bread. It's simple, yet incredibly satisfying. But fondue isn't just about survival or simplicity. It's a social event, a gathering around a bubbling pot, sharing stories, laughter, and good times. It's about the camaraderie, the slow pace of life, the appreciation of every bite. It's a ritual, a celebration of Swiss heritage and hospitality. And let's not forget, fondue comes in many delightful varieties. While cheese fondue is the classic, there's also fondue bourguignon, where pieces of meat are cooked in hot oil, and fondue chinoise, a hot broth variant. And for those with a sweet tooth, there's the irresistible chocolate fondue, where fruit and marshmallows meet a pool of molten chocolate. So, whether you're huddled in a cozy Swiss chalet watching the snowfall or sitting in a bustling fondue restaurant in the heart of Zurich, the experience is universal. The fondue pot becomes the heart of the table. The cheese strings a connection between people, the shared laughter, a melody that fills the room. Indeed, fondue isn't just a dish, it's an experience that brings people together. It's the embodiment of Swiss culture, warm, inviting, and undeniably delicious. It's a journey through the heart of Switzerland, one cheese-dipped piece of bread at a time. So, what have we learned about Swiss cuisine and fondue? We've ventured through the twisting path of Swiss culinary history, uncovering the roots of the nation's gastronomic traditions. We've seen how Swiss cuisine, humble in its origins, has been shaped by its geographical diversity and the hearty demands of its people, resulting in a rich tapestry of flavors. We've delved into the heart of fondue, the quintessential Swiss dish that has warmed the bellies and hearts of many. Its simplicity belies a complex blend of cheese, wine, and garlic, creating a pot of molten delight that is more than just a meal. It's an experience. We've also discovered the communal nature of fondue, a dish that brings people together, fostering connection and conversation around a bubbling pot of cheese. In conclusion, Swiss cuisine offers a journey into a world of robust flavors. Whether it's the allure of melting cheese or the communal experience of dipping and sharing, Swiss cuisine, particularly fondue, offers a unique gastronomic adventure worth exploring.